Hey foodies, welcome to the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Today we're gonna make some Caribbean style corn on the cob in coconut milk. Flavor can done. But before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Let's go.
Feel the vibe. Give me that beat.
Caribbean style corn on the cob is boiled in coconut milk and seasoned with fresh herb and spice. It is boiled until most of the liquid has been absorbed by the corn to create an unforgettable, flavorful corn in every bite. Yummy! So we're gonna get into the recipe. The first thing we're gonna do is add our coconut milk to our saucepan, and we're gonna also add some water. So I'm using mostly coconut milk with a little water, but you can always use the straight up only coconut milk if you choose to. Now we're gonna add in our spices and our herb. Add some salt, and now we're gonna add some pimento, also known as allspice, to our coconut milk mixture, and now some thyme. And is there any Caribbean cooking without thyme? We love thyme. And then we're gonna add in our onion and our garlic, two other things that we love very much, and our scotch bonnet pepper. And the scotch bonnet pepper is here for flavor, not heat. As long as you don't let it break, it won't give you that heat, just flavor. And I'm adding in my scallion, aka green onion, and I'm just crushing them out a little bit to release the flavor. And I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes so all the flavor can start releasing before I add in my corn. So now I'm going to add in my corn on the cob as the coconut milk is boiling, and I'm gonna let this cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until most of the liquid is absorbed by the corn, and that's where we're going to get this intense coconut flavor from. So we're going to let it boil for about 30 to 40 minutes, and you can always let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes if you are in a rush and you don't want to go through all that. But the longer is the more intense the flavor of the coconut is. So now after our 30 to 40 minute marks, or until the majority of the liquid is absorbed, we're going to remove our corn from the pot, and they're ready to go. It's time for you to have your flavorful corn. This is childhood. This is just growing up in Jamaica, having corn on the cob that it was boiled in coconut milk. Yum. But let me give you a little secret. Do you think that I threw out this nice coconut liquid I have going here? No. What I did was I added to a Tupperware, a glass Tupperware, of course, and I put it in my freezer, and I had it there for about a week until it was time for me to cook some rice, some brown rice. I used the liquid to cook my brown rice, and it gave me this nice coconut corn flavored rice. Yes, we're not wasting anything around here. It's this nice coconut corn broth. That's what I call it. Yes, so you can always save your coconut milk to use another day. So thank you all for stopping by, and I hope you make this nice flavorful coconut corn on the cob, and tell me what you think in a comment down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell another friend too. Until next time, what good?